Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use your the difference between using a hair dryer or a heat embossing tool. Okay, so this is the part that we want to figure out. This is going to be the hair dryer one, okay, and this is going to be the dry embossing tool. The hair dryer will make a lot of noise, so I'm just gonna turn it on and see how it works. So actually that didn't do anything to it because it didn't bring out the heat on it. So there goes that idea. And I actually kind of like wondered if I needed to get an embossing heat tool. And so what I do with my heat tool is I put it on the side so it doesn't really get to it, because then it will wrinkle the paper. And then once it's hot, then you bring it in and you keep it in one place, and that's it. So your embossing tool, as you could see, I could touch it, as opposed to when this just didn't do anything to it. So that's why I got my dry embossing tool, my heat tool I should say. And that's all. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.